Hello everyone, my name is Elisa. For my classroom management project, I chose to focus on um, teacher expectations. So in my classroom, I believe that personally for myself, I would consider myself a visual learner. So I created this poster and I actually intentionally left it as a blank canvas. I see myself using this as a potential poster that I can use in a classroom. What I would like as an end goal would be throughout the year we could add images to this poster to help students recognize strategies of what we can do. So for my title of my poster, it's called The Key to Success. And for myself personally in my classroom, I two major components I believe students should do for classroom participation is sharing ideas. So it goes to this light bulb right here. So with sharing ideas, keywords that they would, emphasize more would be to create like anything like that could be like a picture. Sharing ideas could be like sharing an experience that they, had outside of the classroom. Describe could be describing text features. Conclude could be maybe from if they did like a science experiment, they could say, oh, after this experiment, the scientist concluded that her hypothesis was not correct. Okay, and brainstorm two would just be just throwing like ideas out there during like a whole group discussion. And then another component I did was ask questions, right? So this is why I did multiple question marks here. It could be like a big question, like something that the student really, really, really wants to know more about, or it could be even like a little tiny question, like, oh, can you restate the directions? Explain it in further detail. For key details, or not for for keywords with asking questions, the student could use find, synthesize, evaluate, ask, observe, or search. Mm-hmm. And then I believe for my classroom, with like observe, we could probably like I would have students add to this poster. So for like example for observe, they could maybe draw like a microscope. Um, Study, they could draw maybe like a paper with like little squiggles, and that'd probably be considered as notes. Um, yeah, so essentially, what I would want for my ideal goal for my classroom would be to be an effective teacher. And going back to Gardner's multiple intelligence, I would see my class using, you know, the visual or spatial intelligence. Yeah.